Hi, I'm Tony with Bats Off-Road, and I'm here with the Overland Shower from Adventure Trail Outfitters. I'm going to show you kind of what comes with it and how it works. So here's a shot of the outside of the case. Nice big case. One thing too that this case comes with, it's kind of hard to see from here, but there's a bracket on the back, and what that allows you to do is you can hang it. You know, if you got a trailer or you know, like a bed rack or a swing out or something, you can hang this on this bracket back here. So that's kind of a neat feature. And then, you know, the other thing to touch on is it uses very little power. I'm just using, you know, a little EcoFlow power supply here, but that's more than enough power to run this thing for what you need. And then the other thing is that they do with this unit is they have these feet that allow this whole thing to set up on a tabletop. You know, set pretty firmly there. So another cool feature. If you've got a plastic case, nice gasket enclosure, latches here. You've got a EcoTemp water heater, 12-volt pump here covered with a nice little cover. It comes with the shower head, propane connection here, power. You can connect it to your power supply, and then your freshwater inlet. All that comes together in one unit. You can adjust your flow and your temperature here. It's got a nice little holder in here. You pull the shower head out. It's got some adjustment here, the stream, type of stream, and then on or off. Basically, we'll just turn the pump on, and then all you do is you just turn that on. You can tell that it's kicked on, giving you the temperature as the water temperature increases. Right here it's got a nice heat shield, so the top of the box doesn't get hot when the heat comes out the pump. As you can see, it's heating up really quick. You can slow the water flow down. Heat it up. You can turn the temperature down. And then when you're ready to turn it off, you hit that. Like if you're taking a shower, you can turn this off. You're getting all wet. And you can set that up there while you're soaping off. It's just sitting there waiting on you. And then when you're ready to rinse, it just comes right back on. Anyway, that is the Overland Shower by Adventure Trail Outfitters.